Have you ever struggled to remove industrial dirt and grime? Uniwipes will remove anything from silicone, grease, oil, PU glue, expanding foam, paints, even oil-based paints from any hands, tools or surfaces. Dispenses one wipe at a time. Flexible packaging for less waste. 100 of these huge wipes in every pack. Over twice the size of competitors' wipes, sometimes 3 times the size. They eat through oil, grease and grime. Have a very low odour. They'll collect the dirt as you wipe the surface. Uniwipes are also extremely absorbent. Even though it's a wet wipe, it will still absorb liquids, oils and water from any surface. These wipes are super strong, super soft and super absorbent. Uniwipes will stay wet for over 1 hour once outside the packet, and even if the packet's left open, the wipes inside will stay wet for days. Super strong pouches that stand up to any environment. Use these dirt-eating wipes all day, every day on your hands, tools and many other surfaces. They have no alcohol, no harmful chemicals. They're made from a natural solvent with added aloe vera and vitamin E to condition the hands, and they're very safe to use on any surface that you need to wipe down and clean. Uniwipes come in 100% recyclable packaging, extremely low foaming. Uniwipe, super performance wipes for hands, tools and surfaces, your ultimate cleaning companion.